How to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. So in order to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First of all, let's go and log in into Trust Wallet, and you just have to copy the wallet address. So here you just press the receive button, select the asset that you're receiving, and go ahead and press the copy button, or you could just download the QR code. When you've done that, exit out of your Trust Wallet and then log in into your Binance. When you're logged into your Binance account, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, you could go to wallet, and then you could go to spot, and you could go to transfer. As you press the transfer button, select whether it's from spot, and then whether it's a cross margin or all that. Select the asset that you wish to transfer. When you're done with that procedure, now type in the amount that you wish to send it and click the confirm button. On the other field, you'll be asked to type in or enter in the wallet address of the receiver. So there you could go ahead and paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied, or you could just go ahead and scan the QR code and confirm the transaction. By following this step, you should be able to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.